Hello, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss some of basic concepts of graph from the chapter Coordinate Geometry. In a graph, there are two lines you can observe. One, the horizontal line, the another one is a vertical line. The horizontal line indicates x-axis and the vertical line indicates y-axis. Okay, so now those two lines which is intersected at some point, that point of intersection we'll call it as origin. Now look at the graph carefully. From the point of intersection means from origin to the right directions the numbers are positive, to the left direction the numbers are negative. Similarly, to the upward directions the numbers are positive and to the downward directions the numbers are negative. And these two axes, it means x-axis and y-axis, has divided the plane into four parts. It is called as quadrants. There are four quadrants that you can observe. So now let us look into the sign conventions of each quadrant. So for the first quadrant, the sign convention is plus, comma, plus. Similarly for the second one, minus, comma, plus. And for the third one, minus, comma, minus. And the fourth quadrant, plus, comma, minus. The question is, how we wrote? Quite simple. While we are writing the coordinates, you must remember that x coordinate should come first and the y coordinates. Now, for the first quadrant, observe the numbers all are in positive, right? Then the coordinates is positive, right? Similarly, what about the y coordinates? That is also positive numbers. So then the numbers are in positive, that is also plus. So then
What will be the sign conventions of first quadrant is plus comma
plus. Did you get it? You just go to the second one. So as I told you that x coordinate should come first. So what are the sign of x coordinates here? So that is negative. That's why minus. And y coordinate positive. That is plus. So now if you observe the third quadrant, minus, comma, minus. Did you get it? Yeah, that's all. It's quite simple. Now let us try to learn how to find out the coordinates if we have any point on any quadrant. Let me take 2 points in a first quadrant that you can see A and B. And how to find out the coordinates, you already know that, even though I'll explain. Quite simple. So from that point, just draw the perpendicular line to x-axis. What is the number you can see? 2, right? Yeah, then the x coordinate is 2. Which 2? Positive 2. And similarly from that point, same point, you just draw the perpendicular line to y-axis. Okay, what is the number that you can see? It is 4. So what are the coordinate of that point A? 2, 4. Similarly, let's go to the B, point B. Same way, draw a perpendicular line to x-axis. The number is 7, and to the y-axis, that is also 7. What is the coordinate of point B? That is 7, 7. This is the way we are going to find out the coordinates of any points on the any quadrant. And now I have given even still 3 more points that you can observe for the second quadrant. So that point minus 6, 4, isn't it? I didn't draw. You don't need to draw. You just observe. Okay, so if you observe that what are the numbers are there on the x-axis as well as the y-axis, you can write the coordinates. Similarly, another point on third quadrant, minus 8, 2, and for the fourth quadrant, minus 5, 7. Okay, now we come to know that how to find the coordinates. Okay, now what is the coordinate of origin then? So if you are totally clear in this means, you can easily say that the coordinates of origin is, that is 0 comma 0. It means you can observe the coordinate of x in the point of intersection, that is 0. Similarly for y, that is also 0, then the coordinates of origin is 0 comma 0. Is it clear? Yeah, okay.
Thank you for watching.